Hey everybody, it's Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. How you doing today? I'm doing pretty good. I just got done 3D printing this thing right here. Now you're probably asking yourself, what the heck is that thing? Well, that thing there is a cell phone holder for your tripod. And you can see it's spring loaded, so if I lift this little plunger up here, yeah, I can put my cell phone in there. Now I'm using my cell phone to record this, so I won't do it, but you can see it's got a little piece of rubber up in there. Right there, it keeps it from sliding around, and it's got a spring right here, and it's just a bolt. And then around the back here you can see it's a couple of nuts. There's it's nuts. There's a quarter 20 down in there, and there's a quarter 20 right in there. It's fully captured inside of that little pocket there, and yeah, that makes the whole thing work, I guess. And allows you to use your standard camera tripod here along with your cell phone, and it does work good. I've had it in there, and it does do the job. And you can just take it out, lift this up right here, slide your phone right in, let it down, and it snaps right down. I plan on getting a little bit better spring in here. The spring's not all the greatest. I just used what I had laying around the house, and got some kind of a really nice grade 8 bolt on there or something. But yeah, I designed all this stuff here. This was part of an existing design that I just modified. It's on Thingiverse, but not as this design here. This is my own design. I used this part of it right here, and I modified it, and I used this part of it right here, and I modified it, and I modified this part right here, and I added this little job or do right up here to capture the bolt of the bolt head there, so you can lift it easier. Just makes it easier to work. So I thought it was pretty cool. I just thought maybe you might like to see something like that. I always come up with some little things to design and print out on my printer, and now that it works good again, man, I could just go down there and put the file on a thumb drive, slap that in a little laptop, start it up, and it just prints. I don't even have to adjust it. I think with 3D printers, once you have the table leveled and everything like that, as long as you don't hit on it or you don't do any major league prying or anything like that, I don't think you should really have to adjust it too much. Just maybe a little bit here and there, and maybe when you do, 10 prints or something, I don't know. But I haven't had to adjust mine now for at least a month or two, so ever since I did the fix on it with the software. But yeah, it's printing really nice. You can see it's there's no defects in there at all. Very, very, very good print job. Almost looks like a pro did it, except I did it. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention there's this little cap that goes on the top too, and that keeps these two little beams right here from going crazy when this thing slides up and down. There's a little track inside of there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little track and a couple of little grooves on the side of this thing, and that helps to keep everything nice and straight. Yeah, and it takes you about maybe 2 hours to print it all up. If anybody's interested in it, leave a comment. Subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, for sure, leave a comment. And if you want me to post it, if you care to make this file right here, I might release it to you. You'd have to say some nice words to me and help me promote my channel. Since I'm giving away a file, that's the least you could do to help me out. So anyhow, if you enjoy this type of thing, 3D printing stuff, camera work, video, electronics, computers, RC cars, feral cats, music, art, that type of stuff, why don't you subscribe to my channel? I'd appreciate it. Even if I never see you ever again, just help me out. Just click subscribe. It's free. It'll do us both good. Anyways, this is Mark with Mark's Home Hobbies. Hope you have a great day tomorrow, better day today, or something like that. Talk to you later.